So my name is Benjamin Christiani. I'm a mechanical designer with Aspen Custom Trailers. So I do some of the solid modeling, the design and drafting, as well as some of the shop support, and I run the social media. Aspen's been in business for going on 45 years here, building low bed trailers all the way up to big elaborate heavy transporters for wind energy and mining and special transportation projects. Richly engaged with the logging and forestry industry to start. Building low beds and other equipment to support the low beds. So it started out as a small manufacturing company and grew from there. So we've grown to 3 locations now. We have our main manufacturing plant in Leduc, Alberta, and then location in Woodland, Washington, as well as Waco, Texas. So our use of high strength steel, some of our design concepts and industry experience would kind of set us apart from our competitors. A lot of our products are customer driven, so customers will come to us with a special project. They say, I need to move this object from A to B, and Aspen offers a full solution of legalization and permitting solutions to allow to move the loads from point A to point B with different regulations and bridge laws and other stuff like that. So engineering works with the customer on the specialty projects to design a transporter that will work where the customers are working jurisdictionally and regulations wise. So our trailers are all across North America, so a lot of the oil field stuff you'll see around Alberta, forestry obviously in BC, specialty transportation projects on the East Coast, as well as oil field stuff in Texas and logging industry in Woodland area. So we've got stock trailers that are on the ground at our 3 locations that are on the ground ready to roll, as well as going to the custom manufacturing side of things where you can call us or whatever. So our website has a form you can fill out for custom builds. We're quite active on Facebook and Instagram, showing what our projects that we're working on currently. So yeah, any place to reach out for a quote or a custom build project. So yeah, a lot of people think like a trailer is just a trailer. There is a variety of options and permutations to allow a customer to set themselves out in their business. So for example, this trailer has a hydraulic gooseneck. We can offer mechanical removable goosenecks, ultra lightweight frames, different widths options, different wheels and tire options as well, and different configurations as well to offer whether the customer wants to have a removable deck, different styles of decks, Jeeps and boosters, kind of the whole package there. Seeing regional customers and showing them that there are manufacturers locally that will supply all sorts of equipment. This is a regional trailer for Alberta. So being at an Alberta show, showing off a trailer that would be really advantageous for customers moving excavators and loaders and other stuff like that. We'll get to meet all sorts of different customers, whether it be owner-operators, like guys moving their own equipment, or guys that are trying to get into the transport industry, moving other people's equipment. So yeah, if you want more information about Aspen Custom Trailers, you can visit our website to view our stock listings. There's information for contact on all our 3 locations. Follow us, like us on Instagram and Facebook, and anything else, give us a call.